All right, welcome all. This is Techni 360, a formidable tech hub that reviews technological breakthroughs, insights, advancements, tools, systems, and a whole lot of others in the tech space. And in this video, we'll be looking at AI video makers. Okay, before we delve in, let's quickly look at prompt engineering. This has to do with the way you construct your prompt, how you frame your language for your generator to understand what you want. Okay, so for AI models, you have to learn how to create the best prompts, construct convertible prompts that will give you what you are looking for. So take time to go through this note. The link to this note is already in the description section. Okay, so if you have any concern, you can use the comment section to reach out to me. Okay, so let's delve in. We'll be looking at vidio. So the link to this platform is also in the description section. So the first time you get there, you'll be asked to sign up, which you can do quickly with your Google, Apple, or Facebook account, or provide an email address with a password. Okay, so once you navigate to this page, you'll be prompted to choose what you want to create. Here we have new project button. So our focus for this video is video making using text prompts. So you select this option here. Okay, so this is where you will type in your text prompt. All right, so it's either you type in or you copy a typed one and paste here. We have a lot of prompts in our notes. I've provided over 20 prompts for you to practice with. So you can do that, can pick any prompt. Okay, let's pick this prompt here. Let's copy this prompt here. Concerning real estate. Okay, so let's copy it. So don't include the quotation mark when copying. All right, so we come down here, you paste your prompt. So the duration we said 7 seconds. We can make it up to 10 seconds. So when you are done with your prompt, you hit enter and wait for the next line of action. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's going to break down your prompt into scripts for different scenes of the video, and you can actually remove, add, modify each of these scripts that was generated using the prompt you assigned to it. Okay, this is the first scene or script. So as you can see, you can add, remove Okay. Then when you're done, you click done. So it said we are generating your video. Okay. If you are getting value from this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel Technique 360, and turn on your notification to be notified of subsequent videos in this subject or other areas in the tech space by Technique 360. So sit tight, your video will be ready soon. So as soon as you provide your prompt, okay, your prompt will be broken down into scripts for the different scenes of the video. Okay, all right. So that's it. You can see our video is ready now. This is the video. You can play to see. That's a very fantastic one there. So this aligns properly with the prompt we provided initially. Okay, so once you're done, you can copy the link of this. You can use it on any platform. You can share it on any platform you choose, or you can simply download this and use it wherever you want. It's all yours. So thank you for staying tuned to the end. See you in other videos.